we're going to well, welcome to my bakery first of all. We're going to this could be a different series, like a spin-off of my other series that I'm doing. Is that we're going to be basically I'm gonna be baking every recipe in Cakes and Bakes. Today I thought we should begin with donuts. So first things first. For donuts we need glaze and of course the dough itself. So we need flour, some empty bottles. I think we need sugar. Oh, it has some leftover glaze. Perfect. Flour. Cocoa butter, we don't need that. Here. Okay, I think we have everything. Okay, so out here, this is like my little like workyard here. In here, we're gonna need some milk because we're gonna need some cream bottles. So how we make those is go over here to my mixing bowl or blender and put 2 bottles of milk and we get a bottle of cream. Well, that does it. We're gonna come over out here again to my better tray. Yes, and we'll make butter as so. We're gonna collect some more of this because we're gonna need it later. And then we're gonna need butter, sugar, flour, and that will get us sweet dough. We're going to need quite a bit of sweet dough to make donuts. So, which means we need more butter. As so. Now that we have the butter, not butter, yes, the butter, sugar, and flour, we're going to need to make a lot more dough, like I said. And let's use the last milk butter. And there we go. You have 9 pieces of dough. Now in my rolling pastry board, we are going to make some raw donuts. And before we can continue, we're going to need to make quite a few more glazes. In order to do that, we of course need to get some fruit. So we're going to make some strawberry, a few more strawberry. We're going to make some, not mango, make some more plum, and some blueberry. We may have a little bit too much. So we just put, that is, oh wait, I already have stuff in here? Oh, strawberry juice, okay. We don't need strawberries then. So these are fruit presses, and they are going to turn our fruit into, juice. And then we're going to need to put juice and sugar. No. We need juice, and then we think I need, no, not I think I know. We need to grind the sugar, and we get powdered sugar. Then with the powdered sugar, we put it in here, and we make the glazes. So we're going to need this quite a few times for all the juices that we have. But first we need to turn some of the sugar into powdered sugar. I thought I had some sugar already sugared or powdered somewhere. Or am I going crazy? I thought I had some powdered sugar lying around. Maybe it's in the fridge? Yes it is. Oh. Well, powdered sugar and juice. And it's a natural, and it's definitely a huge step to put your feet inside the pot. It adds a little bit more taste to the glaze. Trust. It's a must-have step. get in there. Maybe and stop a few times just to make sure that extra protein is in there. Okay, now that we have quite a few glazes, we'll make a few more strawberry glazes just in case. Now we need to actually bake our donuts inside our oven and get plain donuts. Then we head back to the pastry board and then we put on the glazes. And that is how you make delicious, that is how you make some delicious donuts. We're gonna eat a few right outside because I have a lovely little patio out here. Very lovely. And now we're gonna enjoy our little dessert. Very delicious. A 10 out of 10, come to my bakery, I'll cook you anything you want.